Hello all of you, and today I will discuss about the venous drainage of the heart, and in this specimen I will show you the location of the veins of the heart. And I have already told you about the gross features of the heart, and I posted a video, and in this part I will tell you the location of the veins. These all red colored structures are the arteries of the heart, and I will tell you the location of the veins of the heart which drain or collect blood from the different chambers of the heart, and ultimately it opens into the right atrium of the heart, because all the blood which is collected from the body enters into the right side. So all the blood which is collected from the heart, it will drain into the right atrium of the heart. So there are different veins are present here, and जितनी भी veins होती हैं उन सब के नाम के आगे लगा होता है cardiac veins. Some are known as great, small, anterior, middle cardiac veins. So these are some veins, and I am showing you the location of the veins. This is the anterior aspect of the heart, and this is the anterior interventricular sulcus. Anterior interventricular sulcus. So I am starting with the first vein, the vein which is present in the anterior interventricular sulcus along with the anterior interventricular artery, that is the great cardiac vein. Great cardiac vein, and this vein will follow the course of the circumflux artery, and this vein will open into the right atrium of the heart. This is the right atrium of the heart through the coronary sinus. This is the coronary sinus. It is about 3 centimeter long, and this coronary sinus opens into the right atrium, and this coronary sinus has thin wall with a collapsed lumen. This is the coronary sinus. I marked with the blue pin. So mostly all of the veins opens into the coronary sinus first, and then coronary sinus drains into the right atrium of the heart. This is the inferior vena cava, and just next to the inferior vena cava there is opening of the coronary sinus. So the first vein that I told you about is great cardiac vein, present in anterior interventricular sulcus along with the anterior interventricular artery. Then it follows the course of the circumflux artery, and it opens in the coronary sulcus in the left side of the coronary sulcus. And the second vein is present in the posterior interventricular sulcus. फर्स्ट वाली जो थी वो anterior interventricular sulcus में होती है, दैट इज ग्रेट कार्डियक वेन. जो दूसरी वाली होती है वो होती है पोस्टीरियर इंटरवेंट्रिकुलर ग्रूव में. किस आर्टरी के साथ में? पोस्टीरियर इंटरवेंट्रिकुलर आर्टरी के साथ में. यहाँ पे वी कैन सी दिस वेन. This vein I identified by its thin wall. This is the middle cardiac vein. Middle cardiac vein, and this also opens into the coronary sinus. So here this middle cardiac vein with this red colored structure, this is opening into the coronary sinus, and this coronary sinus will open into the right atrium of the heart. So there are total two veins, great cardiac and middle cardiac. Now this is the right coronary artery, and this is going to the back side here. So with the right coronary artery there is a next cardiac vein, that is small cardiac vein. Small cardiac vein, इधर वाली थी great cardiac, ये वाली middle cardiac, and there is a small cardiac vein. This vein also opens into the coronary sinus, and after opening into the coronary sinus, this sinus will open into the right atrium. बिफोर द स्मॉल कार्डियक वेन, जो कि यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट होएगी इस सल्कस में, कोरोनरी सल्कस के पोस्टीरियर पार्ट में, इस कार्डियक वेन में ओपन होएगी मार्जिनल वेन, जो कि यहाँ पे होती है, उसको बोलेंगे राइट मार्जिनल वेन. तो अभी तक टोटल हो गए 4 वेन्स. ग्रेट कार्डियक वेन, मिडल कार्डियक वेन, स्मॉल कार्डियक वेन, एंड इट इज टेकिंग right marginal vein into it, and this right marginal vein sometimes can directly opens into the right atrium. So these are total 4 veins, and there is one more vein is present on the anterior aspect of the right ventricle, that is the anterior cardiac vein, and this vein directly opens into the right atrium of the heart. ये coronary sinus में open नहीं होती है, ये सीधा इसी में ही open हो जाएगी. अगर हम बैक साइड की बात करें, सो दिस इज द लेफ्ट एट्रियम. यहाँ पे जो वेन इसकी सरफेस पे प्रेजेंट होती है उसको बोलते हैं ओब्लीक वेन ऑफ द लेफ्ट एट्रियम, एंड बिफोर इट ओपन्स इनटू द राइट एट्रियम, it first opens into the coronary sinus, then coronary sinus will open into the right atrium. So this vein is again opening into the coronary sinus, and here the back side of the left ventricle. There is a vein present, that is the posterior vein of the left ventricle. This was the oblique vein of the left atrium. There is again a vein is present over the surface of the left ventricle, that is the posterior vein of the left ventricle. It also opens into the coronary sinus. So all of the veins are opens into the coronary sinus except anterior कार्डियक वेन. जो वेन यहाँ पे होती है एंटीरियर कार्डियक वेन, वो डायरेक्टली राइट एट्रियम में ओपन होएगी, और बाकी की जो वेन्स हैं जिसमें कि ग्रेट कार्डियक थी, मिडल कार्डियक है, स्मॉल कार्डियक है, vein of the left ventricle, vein of the left atrium, these opens into the coronary sinus. And for each chamber of the heart, atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle and left atrium, there are small veins opens into each chamber of the heart, that is vena cordis minimi. These veins are not draining into the coronary sinus. So this is about the location of the veins of the heart in the interventricular sulcus, and all these veins except anterior cardiac vein opens into the coronary sinus first. So this is the coronary sinus. It is present in the coronary sulcus and it is about 3 cm in the length, and this is the coronary sinus. So thank you.